Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a great one because I'm going to show you how to score free products. So if this is your first time seeing my face, make sure you go ahead, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified for all of my future videos such as this. Once you click that little notification bell, make sure you hashtag notification gang down below in the comment section. I like to shout people out who are a part of the hashtag notification gang. Today's notification gang shout out goes to Shakira Corbin. Thank you so much for being a subscriber and also a part of the hashtag notification gang. And if you want a shout out, comment down below. So this video is awesome because it is in partnership with PinchMe. Now, it is no secret that influencers get free product. They get free makeup, free hair products, free cleaning products, all types of products. If you're an influencer, you get this free product. But what if you are not an influencer and you want to try out free samples too? Not to worry, because PinchMe is here for you. So PinchMe is a completely free, and I stress completely free because it is completely free. They don't ask for a credit card or anything like that, but a completely free service that allows anyone in the US to try out free samples. All you have to do is go onto their website, fill out a member profile, and every second Tuesday of the month they have something called Sample Tuesdays where they send out sample boxes to their members. Each box is loaded with 3 to 6 sample products in so many different categories: cleaning categories, body care, hair care, makeup. So you can get all types of products to try. They even have like food samples in the box, and all they ask for is your honest feedback. Like I said, everything is completely free. You're getting free stuff, and all you got to do is give them feedback. You don't have to be an Instagrammer, a YouTuber, a Twitterer, or whatever other type of social media. You just need to give them feedback on the product. It is really that simple. So I have a link down below in my description box. Make sure you click that link, sign up for PinchMe, and get yourself some free product. They actually sent me a box here full of sample goodies that could be in any of your PinchMe boxes if you sign up. So I have food items, I have body care items, coffee. We all need some coffee, honey. I have nut butter. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you everything because we're gonna dive right into this, and I'm gonna show you every single thing that's in this box right now. So the first thing I pull out of this box is a sample of the brand Prevention Wellness and their teas. They sent me an immunity tea and also a Thrive tea. These are probiotic and functional teas for wellness from Prevention and Organic India. It also gives you a $1 off coupon, so you can take advantage of that if you want to purchase the full size. So I know the coupon came in the box, but another great thing about being a part of the PinchMe community is that you also get special perks and partner offers from a lot of these brands. So that's a big perk, y'all. The next product in my box is 1850, so Folgers 1850 coffee, and I have 2 of the different flavors. I have the Trailblazer, which is a medium dark roast coffee, and I also have the Pioneer blend, which is a medium roast coffee. I have a Keurig. I use my Keurig, so these definitely will not go to waste. I'll probably use them in the morning, to be quite honest. Keeping with the theme of food, they also sent me 2 of the RX brand nut butters. Now, I love the RX bars. They have these really great protein bars. They're like organic vegan bars. And they sent me the peanut butter and then also the almond butter. And these little packets have so much product in it. You could use this literally 2 or 3 times. The next food item that they sent me is by the brand Seeds of Change. And this is the certified organic quinoa with brown rice and garlic. So I will definitely try this for a dinner meal or a meal prep. I'm always looking for new foods to try, and I do like quinoa, so excited for this one. Next, they have some blister cushions in the box. This is by the brand Compeed, and again, they are just medium-sized blister cushions. We all get blisters every now and then, so these could definitely come in handy. Like when I tell you guys this box is so amazing because you don't know what you're gonna get, and it's a collection of random things, but it's random things that you need. You know what I mean? So really love this box. They have some hair care in here. This is the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. And I've actually tried one of these and really loved it on my natural hair. So they put a packet of that in there. The Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This is another product that I've tried and I love. This is like the most amazing body polish. My husband actually really loves this product as well. So this is one that I would definitely recommend for you. It leaves your skin just feeling so soft and so silky after you get out of the shower or the bath. Like I love this. Last but not least, I got the Biore Charcoal Cleansing Micellar Water. So the good thing about micellar water is that you don't need to rinse it off of your face. It removes your makeup and cleanses your face without the rinse. And this is actually the charcoal by Biore, and I love their charcoal products. Biore has some really nice facial skincare products, so excited to use this one. But that's it, you guys. That's everything that came in the Pinch Me box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and would also consider going ahead and signing up for Pinch Me. I think it's a great program and a great way for you to try different products free of cost to you. So once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you follow me on social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. Those are the best ways to keep up with me in between uploads. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.